Welcome to Aiming Up. Today we're taming the chaos. We're looking at sorting, caching, and scheduling. Sorting isn't the goal. Finding is. Caching isn't the goal. Using is. Scheduling isn't the goal. Doing is. You click Buy Now on Amazon, and 2 days later your package is at your door. Magic, right? Except behind the scenes, there's a warehouse the size of a small city where robots and humans are doing a perfectly timed dance, all powered by 3 ancient computer science ideas: sorting, caching, and scheduling. And you're already running the exact same algorithms in your kitchen, closet, and calendar. The only difference is the scale. It's easy to get stuck doing the meta work instead of the real work. Sorting isn't the goal. Finding is. Caching isn't the goal. Using is. Scheduling isn't the goal. Doing is. Computer science spent 50 years proving what parents and warehouse workers already knew. The perfect amount of organizing is shockingly small. The best systems feel a tiny bit chaotic, and the winning move is almost always to stop one level sooner than feels respectable. If you're spending all your time organizing things, looking for things, or planning things, it means you're not actually doing things, regardless of how busy you actually may be. Today, we're fixing that with 3 principles straight from the book Algorithms to Live By. First, sorting. Paying once so the future is free. Every time you arrange clothes in a closet, rearrange the books on your shelf, or organize emails into folders, you're doing the same thing Google does to the entire internet. You're paying a big upfront cost so tomorrow's retrieval is basically instant. With big upfront costs, ask yourself these questions before you start any sorting project. 1. How often will I actually need this? 2. How bad is it if I grab the wrong one or can't find it fast? 3. How big is this pile now and how fast is it growing? Armed with that knowledge, pick your sorting level, your level of investment. Level 1, don't sort at all. Old cables, sentimental junk, that maybe someday bookmark folder. Chaos is cheaper. Level 2, several grouped loose buckets. Inbox, action, archive, closet, toss, donate. Life-changing with almost zero effort. Level 3, simple order, no numbers. To-do list by true priority, playlist flow, emergency contacts. Level 4, actual scores and metrics. GDP, page rank, fantasy football draft boards. Save this for the 1% of life where tiny differences make a big difference. Oversorting is so common and costly that when in doubt, stay one level coarser than your perfectionist brain screams for. Next, caching. The art of strategic forgetting. Your brain, desk, and phone only have a tiny amount of fast memory. Everything else has to live farther away. Forgetting or moving things out of direct focus isn't a bug. It's the only way the system doesn't choke. Look around right now. A phone in your hand or on your desk is level 1 or L1 cache. Your kitchen counter is L2 cache. Your closet may be main storage. It's the RAM. Boxes in the garage might parallel a hard drive. And the boxes in the attic might parallel archival tape or CD backup. A real-life hack is a closet trick I've used for years. I have same number of hangers as shirts. Clean shirts always go on the far right. Over time, my actual favorites tend toward the right, the neglected ones drift left. When a new shirt comes in, the left side is pre-sorted with donation candidates. Zero effort, zero guilt, and my favorites are always in arm's reach. Here's a tip. Set hard quotas on every fast layer. For example, 1 inbox tray on your desk, 15 browser tabs, 25 hangers, 12 items on the desk. Limits force the system to forget the right things automatically. And finally, scheduling, the most seductive procrastination in disguise. We should schedule for only one reason: to make sure the right thing gets done at the right time. Here's a 60-second diagnostic for when life feels leaky and tasks are slipping. Stuff already late? Focus on the earliest due date first. This puts out the fires. Drowning in tiny tasks? Tackle the shortest jobs first. This clears the runway for greater focus. And when everything's on time but you're still not moving the needle? Weighted priority, impact per hour. Determine the value for every job and work on the highest value, regardless of count or due date. Is deep work constantly interrupted by notifications or smaller tasks? Block 3 or 4 hour maker chunks and defend them like gold. Context switching, the time and effort required to resume a task, is a silent productivity killer. The perfect day isn't the busiest or the emptiest. It's the day everything important lands on time without drama. So here's the wrap-up. Sorting, caching, and scheduling aren't separate hacks. They're the 3 layers that keep modern life from collapsing. Amazon runs them at planetary scale. You and I run them at a domestic scale. Your kitchen, closet, and calendar run the exact same code. Do too little and deal with unproductive chaos. Do too much, and you become a full-time system meta worker, busy but going nowhere. The lasting gift from computer science is gentle. Aim for enough order, never perfect order. Do the smallest amount of meta work that prevents real pain. Then get back to the actual work of finding, using, and doing. If this hit home, let me know with a comment, and follow the link in the description for the full blog post, with links to videos of the algorithms we didn't have time for. Keep aiming up, and I'll see you in the next one.